Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you see, it's for Maneater on the Xbox One / Xbox Series X. So, I bought this yesterday for £25. So, yeah, quite looking forward to playing it. I've heard good things about this. So yeah, it's a day one edition. So it includes tiger skin adaptation. So there's the side, and there's the back. You are the shark. Eat, explore, and evolve. And install size is literally nothing, 7 gig. But I imagine there'll be a hefty Series X update for that. So, and inside we have the tiger skin adaptation code and the disc. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing of Maneater on the Xbox consoles, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.